Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on MetaTrader 5 account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead and install the updated version of the app and then open it up. Once I've opened the particular app, go ahead, tap on this little menu icon given on top left corner, which is a 3 horizontal line. Then this option's gonna pop up from over here. All you gotta do is tap on this get started. On top you can say login to existing account or open demo account. Then you will find this kind of interface. You can say you have an any trader account, tap on this plus icon. You will find the on top, tap on the plus icon right over there. Now you will have this kind of interface. From over here you can simply go ahead search it up a broker, and according to that you can make an account, but a demo account. But if you already have an account of your MetaTrader 5 account, then you can tap on this option of MetaTrader Software Corp, and that should open up like this. You can see open a demo account. You can see on top, you can tap on it and create a demo account for you, or you can simply tap on this login to an existing account by adding your login ID. Go ahead, add in your password, add in your server, choose your server from tapping on the drop down icon, save password so next time you don't have to add in. And in case you have forgotten your password, tap on this forgot password and you can be able to log into it. Otherwise, that's how you can simply log in and get your MetaTrader 5 account. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.